Hello everyone, and welcome to today's webinar. Today, we will introduce an 8-inch rugged tablet controller designed to make agricultural robot operations more reliable, efficient, and easier to manage in the field. First of all, let's look at the key challenges in smart agriculture deployment. Agricultural environments are very different from indoor industrial sites. Operators often need to work under strong sunlight, where standard screens may become difficult to read. Field conditions can also be unpredictable, with rain, dust, vibration, impact, and accidental drops. In addition, smart farming equipment depends heavily on stable connectivity. At the same time, agricultural tasks are becoming more complex. Operators may need to monitor field maps, crop conditions, robot status, and spraying routes at the same time. The TG900AD is designed to help address these real-world challenges. The TG900AD brings together several key features for smart agriculture applications. First, it offers a sunlight-readable display with 1000 nits brightness, a 1000:1 contrast ratio, optical bonding, and anti-glare touch treatment. This helps operators view information more clearly in bright outdoor environments. Second, it supports reliable field connectivity, including WLAN, Bluetooth, optional for GLTE or 5G, and GPS or GLONASS positioning. These options help maintain communication between the operator, the controller, and connected agricultural equipment. Third, the TG900AD provides flexible I/O and control options, including USB 3.0 Type-A and Type-C with power delivery, optional HDMI output, and audio speaker. With a high-capacity battery supporting up to 7.5 hours of operation, the TG900AD is built for mobile field use throughout the workday. The first key application for the TG900AD is outdoor spraying operation. In smart agriculture, spraying drones and autonomous spraying machines are often used in open fields, where operators need to monitor maps, mission routes, system alerts, and equipment status in real time. However, strong direct sunlight can make on-screen information difficult to read, which may affect control accuracy and operational efficiency. With improved outdoor readability, the TG900AD helps operators stay focused on spraying routes, equipment status, and real-time field updates. This supports safer, more accurate, and smoother operation during outdoor spraying missions. In smart farms and greenhouse environments, autonomous mobile robots help move materials, support crop handling, and improve daily field logistics. To keep these tasks running smoothly, operators need reliable communication, location awareness, and flexible device-to-equipment coordination. The TG900AD helps operators manage AMR transport tasks more efficiently from the field. Whether the robot is moving across an open farm area or working inside a greenhouse, operators can stay connected, track route progress, check task status, and respond quickly when conditions change. Agricultural environments can be harsh and unpredictable, so the controller must be ready for real field conditions. The TG900AD is designed to support operation in rain, dust, vibration, impact, and drop-prone environments. With IP65 rated dust and water resistance and MIL's TD810H compliance, it is built to withstand demanding outdoor use. It also supports hand, glove, and rain mode touch, allowing operators to continue using the screen even when wearing gloves or working in wet conditions. By combining rugged protection with practical touch usability, the TG900AD helps operators maintain control and productivity in challenging field environments. In field operations, usability is just as important as ruggedness. The TG900AD is designed for practical handheld control in agricultural environments. Its dual-side grip helps operators hold the device securely while moving through fields, checking equipment, or managing tasks on-site. Physical buttons provide quick access to key functions, reducing the need to rely only on the touchscreen. With stable handling and quick control access, the TG900AD helps operators manage daily field operations more smoothly and efficiently. Beyond the TG900AD, Winmate also offers a wider range of rugged mission computing platforms for smart agriculture. These solutions support the smart agriculture workflow from field control, and vehicle operations to data management and remote monitoring. For more information about the TG900AD and Winmate Agricultural Solutions, please visit the Winmate website or follow us on LinkedIn. Winmate is ready to help you build a more reliable, connected, and efficient smart agriculture deployment.